Hello guys, have you ever noticed something strange? Why do gas stations always stand next to each other? Why do we sometimes find three coffee shops on the same corner but none for meals before that? It may seem like a coincidence, but actually there's very interesting economic explanation Behind this. Behind this, today I'm going to explain why competitors cause two adventure business close together using a simple and famous idea called Hoteling's Model Special Competition. Let's imagine a simple situation. Picture a beach that is 1 mile long. You are the only ice cream workers to get the most customers. The best answer is in the middle of the beach. Why? The best answer is in the middle of the beach. Why? Because this way you can reach the maximum number of people from both sides. At this point, everything is balanced as seller gets half your customers to her. But competition changes everything. The next day, your cousin decided to move closer to the center of the beach. What happens? He starts getting more customers. Of course, you don't want to lose, so you also move closer to him. Then he moves again, and you move again. This keeps happening until finally both of you end up standing right next to each other in the center of the beach. Even though it looks strange, this is actually a stable situation in economics. In economics called an equilibrium. It means neither of you can move to a better position without losing customers. So, even though spreading out would be better for customers, competition forces both sellers to stay close together. This situation does just happen on a beach. We can see it everywhere in real life. Fast food restaurants in the same area, clothing stores in the same mall, pawn shop side by side, even gas stations right next to each other. Why? Because business want to attract the largest number of customers, avoid losing market share to competitors. Even if it's not the most convenient for customers, it's often the safest strategy for business. At this point, you and your competitive cousin have reached what game theorists call a nice equilibrium, the point where neither of you can improve your situation by deviating from your current strategy, your original strategy, where you were each a quarter-mile from the middle of the because it was nice equilibrium. Either of you could move your can toward the other to sell more ice cream. With both of you now in the center of the beach, you can reposition your cars closer to your for these customers without making your current customers worse off. However, you no longer have a socially optimal solution. Some customers at either end of the beach have to work further than necessary to get a seat treat. Think about all the fast food chains, clothing boutique, or mobile phone kiosks at the mall. Customers may better served by distributing service toward its community. But this leaves business vulnerable to aggressive competition. In the real world, customers come from within one direction, and business are free to compete with marketing strategies. Companies like to keep their competition as close as possible.